Hey guys, do you want to know why more people aren't doing business with you in today's day and age? Well, for one thing is the increase of competition. There's a lot of competitors coming out in today's market. All right, I see a lot of epoxy flooring guys coming out in every single market, a lot of decorative concrete guys, and by the way, there are people even giving out trainings in this expo. Back there, you see all those people gathered back there? Well, they're getting trained on how to do this type of thing, and that's bringing more competitors to your area. So the best thing you can do in order to stand out is to build your reputation online. That means social media, that means getting people on video, that means getting people to acknowledge how good you are through your Google My Business listing. And once you get that taken care of, your online presence is going to grow, you're going to get more referrals, and more people are going to start trusting you before they do business with you. Right? Once you get yourself found, my friends, the next step is to have a good sales process. Because now what's going to happen is your phone is going to ring, but if you don't have a good sales process, that means that you're going to lose a lot of opportunities. So correcting your sales process is super important. And last but not least is following up. That's right, if you've sent out any estimates, there's nothing wrong with just sending a friendly message and saying, hey, look, hope you're having a great day. Just wondering what you thought about the estimate, and if there's anything I can break down for you. That would make sense. Sending a friendly reminder, hey, I was thinking about you. Hey, I was just driving down the street and was thinking about you. Hope the family's doing great. Now, when you introduce different types of topics and you're just staying informative, relevant, friendly, you will get people responding. And there's nothing better that builds trust than when people are talking to you. All right, guys, hope you like these tips. If you want more tips just like this, go to concretemarketingcrew.com/free, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.